Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix Epic Games error. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So in this video we are specifically going to talk about Epic Games error, that is E1003. So to fix this problem, all you need to do is simply close the Epic Games launcher by right-clicking the system tray icon in the bottom right corner and then clicking on exit. After this, you can simply click Start again and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and then click Run as Administrator. You need to simply run it as an administrator on your device, and in the window that opens, simply type *sfc/scan now *closed. Then you can simply enter and then restart your computer. So this is how you can fix it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.